Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred tradition of Ifa, rooted in Yoruba land and shaped through centuries of interaction with neighboring West African cultures, and preserved in the Lukumi tradition of the diaspora. Here we engage the Ifa divination corpus, the sacred Odu through which Orunmila reveals insight into destiny and moral order, reflected in the lives of Orisha, Irunmole, Awos, communities, and all who seek guidance. These are not distant myths, but living teachings, bridges between past and present, illuminating responsibility, consequence, and the human path. Honor the wisdom. Reflect on destiny. Journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe and let the stories speak. Learn more at IFAStories.com. Oyeku-bi-Iwori and the Mystery of Otiton. The last preparation he made before leaving heaven was to offer homage to Oyekun with a roster, pigeon, white kola nut, chalk, and parrot's feathers. He also paid tribute to God to obtain divine blessing. He finally offered a rabbit, 7 eggs, a hen, white, red, and black cloth to the elders of the night, in addition to a he-goat for Eshu. Oyekun assured Otiton that he would be served by all divinities and humanity alike. He would never be in want, but that he should not forget him, Oyekun. He promised Oyekun eternal gratitude. When Otiton got to the world, his life was virtually empty. But on account of the elaborate sacrifices he made in heaven, all the divinities and the inhabitants of the earth began to send food, clothes, and all items to him. That is why there is no household on earth which does not send food every day to the refuse dump. The most important Ono Ifa, or Odiha, which should be made when this Odu comes out at Ubodu, is to repeat the elaborate sacrifices which Otiton made in heaven, so that the person would constantly receive help from all and sundry. If it comes out at ordinary divination, the person will be told to make sacrifice so that he will always receive help from others. He should be told that food and the means of buying it will always meet him at home.